Hi all, it's Froggy Friday. This week it's a bit of a cheat because I have no time for anything. So I made this little froggy out of Ecopore a little while back. He was basically just leftovers thrown into a tub. Very strange crack. Anyway, yeah. So it's Christmas. So Santa Frog. That's the theory anyway. Yes, I'm arguing with the cat again because he's climbing up on my cupboards. Dawn and I have just spent the last 3 days tidying up my craft room. But of course now, that means that there's room on top of the cupboards for the cats to jump up. Which is not working out well. Well, not for me anyway. Because when they can get up on the cupboards, it means they're knocking everything down. Get down now, you little shit. Alright, cat. Off into the cat. I'm almost there with the red. I just need to switch to a smaller brush so I can get in a teeny smidge more paint. It's probably more than I need. It's okay. I'm going to let this coat dry. I may or may not give him another layer of red. I haven't decided yet. I'll be back in just a tick. See you soon. Okay. The red is dry enough. It's not dry, but it's dry enough. A little bit of green now. I'll start with the darker green. I'll start with his feet. Because why not? In case I have to put him down to paint the upper part of his body. I'd contemplate painting his feet black with the illusion of boots, but then I thought, nah, he's a frog. He doesn't need boots. Trying to make sure that I'm on camera without my hands getting in the way too much as well. Right, I get my brushes cleaned up, wait for that to dry, and I'll be back. See you in a sec. Okay, now just a teeny little splodge because I'm wasting so much paint here. This is just to do the cover of the book. No, I think I'm going to do that with a pen. I was going to write in the book, but I think I'm going to do that with a pen because otherwise I'm going to make a mess. Cleaning my brush. Just going to go grab a pen. So that's going to need a few minutes to dry as well. Wondering about maybe bits of his trousers. I want that to look a little bit sort of fluffy because obviously it should be fur. And I'm going to try and do the same on the sleeves. This jumper, jacket, or whatever it is he's wearing. I don't know, maybe he's getting ready to go, maybe he's still in his onesie. So I'm going to let the eyes dry for a minute. I'll put another coat or two on there and I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so Spot has decided he wants to drink from my brush cleaner. Good boy. Say hello. No, he doesn't want to say hello. Let's work around him, shall we? So I'm just going to put some eyeballs on Santa. I'm hoping that the white paint is dry enough, but we'll soon find out if it's not. Okay. Santa has eyeballs. Sorry about the blurry, I can't focus with Spot there. So, and to finish him off, he's going to have a scarf. Of course, that needs to go down the side like that so it's not getting in the way of his book. And he also needs a hat, but that's going to be a bit awkward because of his eyes, so I'm going to have to glue that more or less onto the back of his head. I'm just going to use some B7000. Have you had enough now, Spotty? You want to go? Off you go then. I'm just trying to glue this on while Spot is very interested in what I'm doing. Did you have a good scratch? Probably would have been quick over the glue gun. Potentially easier without Cat in the way. Just going to hold that in place for a second until it sticks. And do you want to get off my desk now? Don't even think about it. He's just seeing what he can knock off my desk now. I'm just going to have to hold this for a couple of minutes, but otherwise, he's done. So there's Santa Frog reading his naughty and nice list. I'll get you some photos, and I will see you all again very soon for the next one. Bye.